The Power Probe Professional Testing Electrical Kit provides the ability circuit testing Power Probe 3 combined with the diagnostic capabilities of the PPDMM. This kit includes a Power Probe 3 circuit tester, PP31CS, Cat IV 600 volts digital multimeter, PPDMM, 2 to 10-foot 18-gauge leads, 2 Alligator Clips, spare 600V10 amp fuse, spare 600 volts 600 milliamp fuse, Spaded Back Probe, Pin Back Probe, Instructional DVD, all in a convenient blow-molded carry case. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Supplies power and ground for functional component testing. Number 2. Cat IV 600 volts hybrid safe AC/DC voltmeter. Number 3. Measures resistance to 60 ohms. Number 4. Measures current from 0.001 amps to 10 amps. Number 5. Measures temperatures from -4°F 1832, -20°C 1000°C. Number 6. Data hold, min, max capture, relative measurement, diode, continuity tester. Perfect for automotive use with loud indication tones, 15 minutes auto-off function, rugged rubberized housing. Includes 5-foot Cat IV 600 volts test leads, Alligator clip attachments, K-type temperature probe, magnetic hanging strap, spare fuses, and 3 AAA batteries. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.